Well, as we look at your forecast here on this Thursday, it actually gets a little milder across northwest Florida. I think we'll see a decent number of 70s. We'll also see a little more sunshine, at least for parts of our area. Say the eastern half towards Tallahassee, more sunshine. The western half towards Pensacola, a little less sunshine. But I still think most of us will climb into the 70s. Now, the beaches will be the lone location that won't, because the winds are going to be onshore and the water temperatures right now are barely touching 60 degrees. A lot of them really into the upper 50s. But you'll notice as we move through today and on into your Friday, we'll see that onshore wind continue with an east to southeasterly flow across northwest Florida, and that will keep the moisture higher and give us these milder temperatures. So you see what I'm talking about. More sunshine to the east, a little bit less sunshine back to the west. I can't rule out an isolated shower across northern Escambia, Santa Rosa counties, but for the most part, it will be a dry day today across northwest Florida as we head into Friday as well. There'll be low-end rain chances the next few days. Our best chance of rainfall Sunday, but again, I don't see anything to worry too much about through Saturday. So 60s along the coast, 70s as you make your way farther inland. Low temperatures Friday morning will be into the 40s and 50s. 40s down through the Chipola River Valley, but pretty much 50s elsewhere. Highs on Friday, look at this, back up into the 70s for most of us. Again, a little bit cooler at the beaches. So again, your rain chances for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, pretty low. Not much that I would stress too much about. Sunday's the main day that we have a good chance of showers and even some thunderstorms as the cold front moves through. But the big weather story the next few days will be the winter impacts from Texas and Oklahoma. You see those higher impacts in particular across Oklahoma, Arkansas, and stretching on over into Tennessee. This doesn't include Sunday. It goes through Saturday, and Sunday will have winter impacts as well. But the important thing is we shouldn't see any winter weather anywhere close to us across our area. So there you see cold front right there. Couple showers kind of develop along it. That's that small 10 to 20% chance we're talking about. There's your winter storm system round number one. We get this warm flow coming in off the Gulf, and here comes your rainfall as we head into Sunday. In particular, the latter part of Sunday will give us a better chance of rainfall. Behind this front, though, it gets cold once again. So here's an outlook at, this is on Friday, and you'll see again the winter weather out to the west and up to the north. This is going to be a big travel disruptor for parts of the country. Now again, all the rainfall stays north of us until we get into Sunday when that front comes through, and then the cold air returns on Monday. So right now it looks like a Sunday afternoon and evening. We will watch it. Possibility we could kind of push it back even a little bit more, which would then mean most of your weekend, at least the daylight hours, would be pretty decent. But again, for now, we have rain in the forecast starting Sunday afternoon. Heavier rainfall, mix of wintry precipitation, not pretty to our north, but now we're at least getting some green here with that potential for rainfall as we head through the latter part of Sunday to give us maybe a ½ inch to an inch of precipitation. 7-day forecast. Again, the next couple of days, not too bad. We'll be warmer. 60s at the coast for sure. Again, cooler water temperatures keeps us cooler. Best chance of rainfall Sunday, but look at that winter weather next week. We could be back down into the 20s for lows for the beaches. And look at this. Low temperatures inland, 23, 24 perhaps. So soak up that warm weather the next few days because Old Man Winter will return.